Hi, this is Rick. Today we're going to learn how to create and process a comprehensive contract in ERP and Cloud. So you log on with user credentials, click on the support module. Now click on contracts. The path is after sales services contracts. The contract form will open and you fill all the mandatory fields like contract name, customer, and etc. Select the contract type as comprehensive contract. Then we can create and send a sales order for this contract. If both parties agree on the contract, click on Start Contract. The contract comes to effect from the start date mentioned in the contract. So then the sales order process for the contract is to fill up the expected fixed price and click on Sales Order. You select the service type of the product for which you want to define for the contract and click on Make Sales Order. It will create the sales order in quotation state, and then you can process the sales order and invoice. Let's see how it goes in the ERP and Cloud. So we're in the support module under contracts. You select contracts, and then we can create a new contract. So we click, and we can give the contract a name, and we'll call it Contract for ABCD. Then we select the customer. From the drop-down list, it fills in all the pertinent details. So you select the contract type. It can be preventive maintenance, comprehensive maintenance contract, or a few others. So once you've selected that, you can fill in other things. Contract type we've done, service requests, start date for the contract. So we'll select the start date and the stop date. So this could be a year-long contract or a month-long, whatever. We'll select a one-year service contract. And then we can select the number of services or prepaid service units. So you could have, for example, 6 service units or 6 services over that 12-month period. So you select a number. And once you select that prepaid service unit's number, it will define when each service will be performed. They'll be allotted equally. In this case, we're selecting 4. So then we can generate work orders. This will select 4 work orders over the 12-month period. We can select the prices, the fixed price or other. We'll say $500 fixed price. Actually, $3,500 fixed price. Once we've done that, we can generate the work orders. And then you can determine when to do the first work order. So you have a starting date, ending date, various aspects of the contract information based around the schedule. So again, looking at the work orders, they're spaced out every 3 months. because it's 4 services over the course of a year. So July, October, January, and April. And then you can assign the service orders, the work orders, to individuals within the organization. And you can assign a different one for each work order if you prefer, or the same person. It's totally flexible. So we've completed all that information. You can select Want First Service at any time to begin. Now we'll go to the sales order, and we'll select the product. And that's the sales order for the customer. And then we can send that sales order to the customer, and then they can determine whether they want to agree and confirm. If they agree, then we'll confirm the sale. So now we've confirmed the sale, and we can create an invoice. And you can invoice the whole sale or some portion of it. So we'll view the invoice and then we'll validate it. And so we've invoiced, received the money, and now we're going to validate the payment. And so now that payment has gone into your accounting module and it's been reconciled. So then we can start the contract. So the contract is now officially started. Save that. We can edit, and we can look at the contract, the invoice. That's all taken care of. Can list assets to be serviced. So then you can add the product that you want to service. Service request is here. So your service technician will check out the product and create a repair order if necessary. So there's the repair order based on their evaluation of the product. So you can also, along with creating a repair order, you can confirm that repair and then start the repair. When you've completed it, you end repair. And the product's been repaired. So you can save that. Now within this module you can include expenses, assets, work orders, all of that. So it's a complete solution for comprehensive contracts. And that's how it flows. Thank you.